Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's YouTube on YouTube and Instagram too. It's inspired Jasmine Kaur, and I will make videos and videos about the how to improve your communication skills, and in this way you improve your speaking skills and other communication skills also. Other ways, so first is foremost is especially is. The most important part if you learn about any communication skills and English skills, you learn about the vocabulary. So vocabulary is a good part of it will be enhance your speaking skills, and you try to new words instead of the old words. So I want to tell you about the new words of vocabulary this time. And this time it's I have four words which you can speak in your conversation, and blew your mind. So this is the kind of ruffian, like a ruffian. A ruffian means is in Hindi. It's a choru chakka. Choru chakka. If you could talk about any thief, and this is choru chakka. And the other part is counterpart. Counterpart means if a person who is closing resembling another, especially in function, means counterpart. It's your your best friend, or means you're working with anyone. So she is your counterpart. And the other one is scrumptious. Scrumptious, you always heard about the scrumptious meal, like in feed. Yeah, like something in meal, especially like Chinese Manchurian, this is a scrumptious meal. So the pronunciation will be different in this way, and the pronunciation you must take care of the pronunciation. Take care of the pronunciation also. And the other one is I want to say is the monotonous. Monotonous means never changing. It's like a dull, boring, or dull, boring kind of this week is so monotonous. I don't want to read it. So you can be boring. It's called monotonous. So you can't speak. You don't have to speak boring word. This is the old world. So you can speak the monotonous. Monotonous. Fit as fiddle. Fit as fiddle means fit as fiddle means healthy. Means healthy in a good condition, in a physically way, in a healthy way. If you do exercise, you can say about I'm fit as fiddle as fit as fiddle as mountain. Or it's a good way to speak. If you talk about a healthy way, you are healthy exercising, and so you say fit as fiddle. I am fit as fiddle. So these are the words I am talking about. I'm saying to you, so you can you just review this video. You can see this video and try these words in your conversations, and comments me in my Instagram page Inspired Jasmine Kaur, and there is YouTube also. And if you have any suggestions, and if any words more, you can write in the comment box. And please share, and share, subscribe to my channel. It will be very beneficial to you, and keep the notifications on, subscriber bell on, to keep notified of my upcoming videos. So it will be beneficial for you. This will enhance your vocabulary skills, also enhance your communication skills. So this is done for me. And you just, if you have new words of vocabulary, if you know about and you speak regularly the new words, try just tell me in the comments. Will show you, and another video I will show you. Then I will speak to you another new words, the vocabulary words, and this is so good and super beneficial, and super beneficial for you in a long time span. Thank you very much. Bye.